Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about enabling the camera access permissions in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Firefox web browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then i-click mo lang yung 3-line icon na to. Ito yung Open Applications menu, so click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo nang select dito yung settings. Right? So dito lang sa general and then select mo lang dito yung privacy and security. And then next ay kailangan mo nang mag-scroll down at hanapin mo dito yung permissions. Okay, so ito na siya. So permissions and then select mo lang dito yung camera and then dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo nang click tong settings. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung settings, camera permissions. Right? So dito sa mga website nandito ay makikita mo lahat yung mga naka-add dito at pwede ka nang mag-modify ng website para ma-access ang camera permissions. So the following websites have requested to access your camera. You can specify which websites are allowed to access your camera. And then pwede mo naman itong i-block yung request. And then next, dapat naka-enable lahat ng website na nakalagay dito sa status, mga kaibigan. So ito yung kanyang status, dapat naka-enable siya para ma-access yung camera permissions. Hindi dapat naka-check to block your request. Okay, ito siya. So pwede mo naman itong option mo po yan kung gusto mong i-block yung no request para ma-access yung camera mo. So i-check mo lang itong box and ito siya. Alright, and then next, i-click mo lang itong save changes. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin enable ang camera access permissions in Mozilla Firefox browser. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.